What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. If you have heard about the swap memory, swap memory is basically they will just include some memory from your internal storage to make it better quantity in RAM, or basically increase RAM of your device. Something different, something interesting, and I don't think so I made a video on this topic anytime soon on my first channel or second channel. This one is something interesting. You can simply increase your device RAM, which is actually something really interesting here. For example, if I want to increase my RAM with up to 1 GB, we have the option and we need to use the size option in MB. So 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB here. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. If you don't know how much GB is how much MB, simply search on Google, you'll find it. Of course, it's not actually a paid app, but it is a paid app. You need some enough coins for that, and by default you get 5 coins, and to create a memory you need to have 10 coins. So how you can get those 10 coins depends upon if you use 512 MB or if you choose 1 GB. You only need 10 credits for that. By default you have 5 credits, and whenever you click here it will ask to have enough coins. So here, if you move on to the get coins section, you need to get 5 coins which you can get in a day for free. So no worries about that, you can simply create according to your own preference. Congratulations, you have earned 5 coins, and as you can see 5 coins have been earned. Now we have total 10 coins, and this is what we need to increase RAM on our device. Something is really interesting here. You cannot redeem the coins back to back again, but yes, you have the unlimited trick. Everyone knows about technology in my line, so maybe you know how to bypass these things, but I'm not gonna reveal here. Let's just talk about the main thing. 1024 MB, which means 1 GB. We're gonna create swap. Click on OK. It will ask you like this, and storage will be used. Click on yes, and you're good to go. It will take some bit of seconds here, and after that the swap file will be created and your device storage will be decreased by 1 GB, as we have chosen 1 GB, and that 1 GB will be included in RAM. And best thing is that your device performance definitely will be increased. Of course, 1 GB will be included in RAM. It will not show you in counts, by the way. Let me show you. This is the location if you want to check it out, that how much MB or GB they got and what is the location of that swap memory. You need to go to device Android folder. You need to go to the data folder here, first option, and here the files option. This is the memory which we have, which is called swap memory. We have approximately 1 GB of swap memory available, and like this, as you can see, if you don't want that, you can simply delete that. Everything depends upon you. Let me just show you by going into storage. As you can see, we have the 47 GB available from the 64 GB. As you can see, it's 47 GB available because it's included, and here I have 48 GB. Yes, because we have this different things. 1 GB is already excluded from my internal storage to RAM, as I previously mentioned while starting up this video, and same thing has happened. As you can see, free 44 GB and total is 48 GB, but in that other storage option it was showing us 47 GB. And here if I go and delete the swap file, because if I don't need that 1 GB RAM anymore, of course I will not be able to create again because we don't have enough credits. But still, if you don't want that, simply delete swap. And here, let me just show you by going into that storage once again to show you that if my storage is now changed. As you can see, it was changed. It was at 48 GB. Previously it was at 47 GB. So yes, 1 GB is now restored back, and now internal storage is again at same 1 GB now included. And like this, you can do a lot of things. You can increase your device performance. Of course, if you can increase RAM, you can increase the device performance. Like this, a lot more things. Of course, everything is up to you. I'm not responsible for anything happen to your device, so everything just do at your own risk. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.